Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've opened the template. Now act. Click directly on the photo or frame to select it so Canva highlights editable elements. Once selected, look at the left panel for uploads or photos. This is where you source replacements. You can drag a file from your computer into Uploads or search Canva Photos for a ready image. Make sure the layer is active before replacing. Otherwise, elements like masks or filters won't transfer correctly. Start replacing now to keep momentum. Once the new image appears, drag it into the highlighted frame so Canva auto-places it into the mask. You can double-click the image to enter the crop/fit mode. This lets you reposition and scale without breaking the template layout. Make sure to use the toolbar's crop, flip, and position options to align crucial subjects. Snapping and grid lines help maintain consistent margins. If the photo looks stretched, hold Shift while scaling or choose Cover versus Fit to preserve aspect ratio. You're almost done. Apply filters and fine-tune brightness, contrast, and saturation so the new photo matches the template's look. Once satisfied, check layers, group related elements, and lock background pieces to prevent accidental shifts. Make sure bleed and safe zone margins are intact for print or social sizes. Finally, export with appropriate file type and quality settings. Choose PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller files. If colors shift, confirm color.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.